We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly. In both cases, the B there is silent, so do not worry about it. How is it said then? In British English, this is normally pronounced as subtleties. Subtleties. You do want to stress on the first syllable, the S syllable. Subtleties in British English, while in American English this is normally said as subtleties. Subtleties in American English versus subtleties in British English. Did you get it? Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Subtleties. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.